Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to delete a TikTok story. So open TikTok on your device and let's pretend that I accidentally post something to the stories and I want to delete it. So I make some kind of photo and then I post it to my story. So to delete a story, I need to open my profile and basically open my story, and here at the bottom right side of the screen you see three dots button, and here from the list of functions you should find delete and confirm your decision by tapping delete. And now we see that we have deleted TikTok story. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.